Hello, primary 4 students. Good day. This is Mr. George, your math teacher. Are you ready? Okay. Open your book, page 18. This is about multiplication and division. This is unit 2 in your book. Okay? Okay. We start here. Properties of multiplication. Page 20. Okay. Find the following products. The first done, number 1 is find the following products. The first one has been done for you. Okay, letter A is finished. Now you have here 5 times 7 is equals to 35. 7 times 5 is equals to 35. Okay, this one. Letter B is 6 times 12 is 72. 12 times 6 is 72. Correct, students? Letter C. 24 times 5 is equals to 120. 5 times 24, 120. Correct, students? Okay, look at here. Study the above result here. Results here. What did you discover? You know, the product does not change if the order of the numbers multiplied is changed. Okay, 5 times 7 here. Here is 7 times 5. The answer is the same, the position. Okay, here is 6 times 12. 12 times 6, the answer is the same. It does not change. 24 times 5, here 5 times 24 is 120, the same. That's why the product does not change if the order means the position of the numbers multiplied is changed. Okay. Number 2. Fill in the blank spaces in the following. Remember that the numbers within brackets are to be multiplied first. The first is the brackets. Where is the brackets? Here. These are the brackets. Okay, this. Okay. First, letter A is 2 times 3 is 6, and then times 4, the answer is 24. Here the brackets here is 3 times 4 is 12. Then 2 times 12 is 24. Letter B. 4 times 5 times 8. First is the bracket. 4 times 5 is 20. And then times 8 is 160. Correct, students? Next is 4 times here, the brackets here, 5 times 8. First is 5 times 8 is, this is 4, and then 5 times 8 here, 40. 4 times 40 is 160. Okay, what did we find here? The same answer, right? Okay, the product does not change. No, not change the answer, no, not change. When the grouping, okay, this group here, the brackets here, of the numbers is changed. The group here is 2 times 3. But you change the group 3 times 4, but the answer is the same. Correct, students? 4 times 5, the first group here, and you change the group here 5 times 8. But the answer is the same. That's why the product does not change. Product is the answer when the grouping of numbers is changed. Okay? Next is number 3. Make each of the following sentences true by filling in the box correctly. Now, fill in the box. Letter A is 6 times 1 is equals what number here is equals to 1 times 6. The answer is 6. Letter B, 10 times 1 is equals to what number here? 1 times what number? Look at here the example for number 1. The answer is here is 10. 1 times 10. Correct, students? Okay. Letter C, 15 times 1 is equals to 15. Is equals to 1 times 15. Okay. Letter D, 20 times what number here is equals to 20. The answer here is 1. 1 times what number? 20. The same is 20. Okay. What did you find here? The product of 1 and any number is the number itself. Meaning, if you multiply 1, the answer is the same itself. Okay? Like here, 6, you multiply by 6. If 15, the answer is 15. 10, you multiply by 1, the same is 10. 20, you multiply by 1 is 20. Correct, students? Okay, very good. The last is I will give you is the product of 0 and any number is 0. If it is 0, not 1, the result is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Correct, students? Okay. Now let's try to answer your exercise 2.1. Okay. Fill in the blanks using the properties of multiplication. Okay. First we solve and review the properties. Okay. Number 1. 5,124 times what number is equals to 5,124? The answer is the same answer, 1. Number 2, 316. The answer is 0. I give you any number multiply by 0 is 0. Correct, students? Number 3, multiply by 0, the answer is 0. Number 4, 8,192 times 20 is equals to 8,192. Change position, the answer is 20, the same answer. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 is the same with number 1. The answer is the same. Multiply by 1. Number 6. 955 times what number here is equals to 520 times 955. Change only the position. The answer here is 520. Correct, students? Okay, number 7. 36 times 49 times 68 is equals to 49 times what number here times 36? Different position. The missing number here is 68. You have 49, you have 36, and then the missing only number here is 68. Okay, the position change, but the same answer. Number 8. 7,200 times 50 is equals to 50 times the missing number, the position change, 7,200. Correct, students? Okay, number 9. 9,167 times what number? The same answer, the same with number 1 and number 5. Multiply by 1. Number 10. 5,100 times equals 0. The same with number 2. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Correct, students? Now please check your answer. Okay, exercise 2.1. Okay. Let us multiply this number. 435 by 2. Multiply. Okay. 435 times 2, look at here, is 870. Now, here is 435 is the number to be multiplied. This number to be multiplied, it is called the multiplicand. Number 2 is the number with which we multiply and is called the multiplier. The answer is 870 is called the product. Look at here. 435, we call this multiplicand. 2 here, we call this multiplier. Remember this now? You remember this, students? We call this multiplicand. 2 here is multiplier, and the answer is the product. Okay, the answer we call this product. Multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. Okay, now let's move to your last exercise. Okay, exercise 2.2, page 21. Find the product. Okay. Number 1 is 875 times 4. You multiply first from the right going to the left. 4 times 5 is 20, right to 0, carry 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30, right to 0, carry 3. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35. Your answer is 3,500. Right, students? Okay, number 2. 527 times 7. First, you multiply 7 times 7 is 49. You write down 9, carry 4. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 4 is 18. You write down 8, carry 1. Next is 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. Your answer is 3,689. Correct, students? Okay, please check your answer. Okay, very good. Now let's move to number 3. Number 3 is 7,532 times 5. Okay, from the right going to the left. 5 times 2 is 10. Right to 0, carry 1. Next is 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Right to 6. And then carry 1. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 1 is 26. Right here 6. Carry 2. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. Your answer is 37,660. Let's move to number 4. Number 4 is 4,639 times 8. Okay, first from here, going to the left. 8 times 9 is 72. Right here 2, carry 7. Okay. Next is 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7 is 31. 1 carry 3. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3 is 51. 1 and 5 carry 5 here. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 5 37. Your answer is 37,112. Correct, students? Okay. Now let's move to number 5. Number 5 is 2,658. 2,658 times 3. Okay. We multiply the number from right going to left. Okay. The multiplier is 3. First is 3 times 8. Okay. 3 times 8 is 24. 24. Then carry 2 to the next. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Write 7. Then carry 1. Next is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1, 19. Write 9. And then carry 1. The next number is 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now your answer is 7,974. Correct, students? Okay. For the last exercise is number 6. Okay. Number 6 is 9,608 times 9. Okay. 9,608 times 9. First, from the right, going to the left. 9 times 8 is 72. Right here, 2, and then carry 7. Okay, 9 times 0 is any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 7, 7. Okay, 7. 9 times 6 is 54. Factor 4 and then carry 5. Okay, students? 4 carry 5, 54. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 5 is 86. Now you have the answer is 86,472. Correct, students? Alright, please check your answer. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay, students? Finish? Okay. Now, let's go to number 7. Last 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 7 is 4,759 times 5. First here, 5 times 9 is 45. 5 carry 4. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 4 is 29. Write 9. Carry 2. 5 times 7, 35. Plus 2 is 37. Write 7. Carry 3. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. Your answer is 23,795. Okay, next is number 8. 8,638 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. And write 8, carry 4. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Carry 2, carry 2. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. Carry 8, carry 3. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. Your answer is 51,828. Correct, students? Next is number 9. 9,628 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Right here, 4, 4, carry 6. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6 is 22. Okay, we write 2, carry 2. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. 0, carry 5. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 5 is 77. Your answer is 77,024. The last is number 10. 39,632 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12, factor 2, carry 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19, 9, carry 1. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Next is 6 times 9 is 54, plus 3 is 57, 7, carry 5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 is 23. Your answer is 237,792. Correct, students? Okay, please check your answer number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's all for today, students. Please join our line group. I make the line group for you. Primary 4, English for Mathematics. Okay, this is the QR code. Parents, students, please add or join here the group. If you have questions, if you have something for me, okay, you can message me here in the group, in the line group. Okay, students, don't forget to join our line group. Okay, this is for you. This is the group. My World of Math Primary 4. Primary 4 English for Mathematics. Thanks for watching, students. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. That's all for today.